Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director.
And Myiesha, also Beauty Director.
And we're very excited to bring you this video because we're here to talk to you about some luxury. This video is all about luxe lips.
Yeah, I love having luxury beauty products in my makeup collection. It's just that little piece of something really beautiful. I know when Jeffrey comes over, I always have like a new piece of decor in my apartment. And I actually use a lot of my cosmetics as decor in my apartment. So I think they're so well crafted, especially when you get to a luxury brand, that they should be like a showpiece. On my vanity, I have a special like rotating space of my lipsticks that I use usually YSL because that's probably my favorite luxury brand for lips.
Love it.
And I just think there's so much attention to detail. Like it's such high quality. It's such a beautiful present too, which we'll talk about a few of these that would be amazing really presents for those of you, for yourself, or those of you who care about.
It's just an upgrade to your everyday routine, right?
So our first one is our McGrath Labs Matte Trans Lipstick. She has many different formulas, but this is the matte formula. We love Mother. We love Pat McGrath. And what I really love about her lipsticks is they're luxury, but they're editorial. I feel like these are just amazing for the person who loves luxury, but maybe they don't want what everybody else has. Maybe they want something a little bit different, a little bit edgier. The formula is absolutely beautiful. I actually have on Flush 3. I keep that in my makeup bag. I just find that it's beautiful kind of reddish brown color. And what I love about her Flesh series is they actually mimic lip colors instead of maybe like just nude colors, which she does nudes really, really well too. But they're super buttery. The matte trans ones actually have this sort of matte flocking over them. Is that what you would
like
call it?
Like literally, as you roll it up, you can see that it's sort of dusted with a powder on the outside.
Yeah.
And that gives you that ultra matte finish to the texture. It's something that we hadn't seen before ever. And when she launched these lipsticks, I
remember when it came out.
Yeah, it was like that new technology. Again, something that luxury brands are known to do is kind of introduce things that you have never really seen
because they have that room to sort of formulate these very unique things and give you like really cool ingredients, really cool formulations. What I love about this guy too is that it's not like a cement lip color. You think matte lip color sometimes, like my long wear ones I wear sometimes if I don't prep properly, they just don't move. This one blends with you, it moves with you. If you need to blend another lip color, which I always do, I blended a little bit of Lolita from Kat Von D into this lip color in the center of my lips. It still moved with me, which I really, really love. And I often gift luxury lipsticks to a lot of people in my life, especially my friends' moms that take care of me. There's like nothing better. I'm always the favorite. I'm always gonna come at you with a nice YSL gift lipstick, really beautiful. This is definitely a gift for someone who's just extra special, really into fashion, really into editorial. Beautiful, beautiful formula.
Yeah, because the packaging too is also just like elevated. And another little detail that they added to the lipstick, which I really love, is that you notice that there's the lips on the front, but as you roll up the bullet, most bullets sort of twist as you roll the lipstick up, but this one stays perfectly straight.
It rises.
Yeah, it rises. So as you apply with the bullet, the lips always face the other person, which I really love. It's those little attention to detail that really elevates the experience of simply applying your lipstick. And you know, that part of your day could be the one moment that you get a chance to really breathe. So like, let's make it a beautiful one, right? I love that. Now, another brand that's known for their luxury lips is gonna be Yves Saint Laurent. Like, I definitely have to say, Yves Saint Laurent has been one of my favorite lipstick houses forever. And this is the Rouge Pure Couture lipstick collection. Now, this is gonna be their one swipe ultra hydrating color. Really beautiful. There's tons of butters in here that are really gonna melt onto the lip and really coat the lip in a luxurious lacquer of color. It's got a nice shine to it too. I find that, again, not like the Pat McGrath, like it feels really comfortable on the lip. And you'll notice that the lid closes really tight on the lipstick, and that's making sure that all the hydrators and those beautiful butters in there are staying nice and moist. And then also your lid's not gonna fall off in your purse while you're moving around. I cannot stand that. That's the thing. I'm just like, this is not cute. So they definitely take care of that. And this, if you've never smelled a YSL lipstick, they have the most unique smell. It's like a soft, powdery, like fruit smell to me. I love the way they smell. Obsessed.
Yeah, this is the Rouge Pure Couture collection, but my favorite personally from YSL are the Rouge Volumps. I love the packaging. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. I have all of the, I forget the exact name of the formula, but the sheer ones.
Yeah.
I have every single color lined up on my vanity, and it's so subtle, but I have the peach one, the pink one, the berry one. They just make a really beautiful difference, especially if I'm doing like a full eye look and I just want my lip color to look better. My mom doesn't wear any lip color, so she'd just be lost if I gave her like a really beautiful, even like a nude lipstick. So I like to give her the clear ones, like the
sheers.
Even when I gave her the one that's like just barely tinted, she was like, oh, I don't know, but she absolutely loves it.
Yeah, that's a really great call out about YSL and their lip range, is that they do offer a lot of different formulas to choose from. So definitely swing by store and check them out if you haven't done so.
So the next one we have is a Giorgio Armani beauty one. This is the Lip Maestro. So this is really beautiful if you're someone who is used to liquid lipsticks, but maybe you want a little bit more comfort. It has more of a whipped texture. Jeffrey used a really great word just now, a souffle texture to them. Again, they're gorgeous. I have some of the more neutral shades here, but even that red right there, with the cap, this is more of a brick red. This shade, it just looks so beautiful. The red is absolutely gorgeous. If you're someone who maybe loves a good red lip color, maybe you're that person that has like an endless wardrobe of reds, this is a really great one to add. Just aesthetically, it's really gorgeous. But again, super soft, very movable. As the day goes on, your lips won't feel dry. They'll feel comfortable all day. I find that, as I drink coffee, even it doesn't bleed or move around on the lips. It just kind of stays where you put it.
And again, kind of thinking back to that whole fashion mentality, we have a product that was literally born backstage. I love this product. This is the Dior Lip Glow. Now, this is really crucial to have in your on-set bag for sure, because this is like the epitome of luxury when you pull it out. It's a great kind of prep product, but also really kind of gives a little juicy wash of color to the lip.
I'm personally so in love with the collection. I have a lot of them. There's different colors, and I just find that they're so subtle, but they do beautiful things. My favorite is actually the matte pink, which kind of sounds really crazy, the lip balm that's matte, but it's almost like a hydrating pink primer for the lips. It gives your lips this really beautiful color, almost like if liquid lipstick was invisible in a way. It's super gorgeous. It's something that if you are someone that likes luxury, but maybe you don't like a lot of flash, and you want something very simple, these are really beautiful.
Definitely designed to give you that sort of model off-duty look, sort of like that backstage lit from within kind of glow. Very youthful and kind of drenched in a layer of hydration, which we love. Now, anytime you're getting a Dior product, there's an amazing ingredient and technology story. So these are really cool. They actually go on like that sheer balm like you were talking about, and sort of softly enhance the lip as you wear them. So they almost change color intuitively to your natural pH and body temperature. So these are really smart to have in your bag, because you can kind of toss it on and not even think about it. You know what I mean?
It's one of those formulas that you don't really need a mirror to apply. It's just sort of sheer, and a lot of times people are looking for really soft lip colors, but they're going for very high pigment, full coverage lip colors, and a lot of times just enhancing your natural lip color is going to give you the best lip color that you can really look for. This is the peachier one. It's called 004 Coral, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I have more of a coral eye on now, so if I wanted to do something a little bit more tame, I could take this, and it would just lightly sort of flush my lip color versus kind of covering up and giving me a lipsticky look.
These are the perfect partners to eye looks, because they just, again, like you said, they kind of step backstage and allow the eye to really stand forward, which
what I like about these too is like some of those intuitive lip colors, it's sort of like you put on your lips and they turn a different color according to your pH. I find that these actually turn more of a neutral color, because my lip color is naturally very pink. So those tend to make my lips look fuchsia, and sometimes I don't want fuchsia. I just want something very soft and flush, and I find that I really like these over a lot of other ones that kind of work with your body chemistry, because they're subtle and they're not super bright on me, and I tend to like something a little bit more neutral.
For sure. Backstage favorite, a must-have. You definitely need to check these out.
Very true. The models always love this when you pull it out.
So that's pretty much it. Hopefully that inspired you to add some new additions to your lip wardrobe.
It's just such a beautiful thing to have a beautiful thing in your purse.
Yes,
I'm absolutely obsessed with things like this, and it's something that maybe I can't buy a designer bag, or maybe I don't want to buy a designer bag, quite honestly, but I want that piece of luxury that enhances me versus me wearing something. It enhances me. So I think these are something really beautiful that you can can give to yourself or as gifts. If you have some favorites, maybe leave them in the comment section below. I feel like I'm always shopping and looking for new things to buy.
Or if you just love to stockpile luxury lips, drop some lipstick emojis. Shout us out. Let us know, right? And as always, if you haven't already subscribed to the Sephora channel, be sure to do so because you're missing out on amazing content like this for sure.
Yeah, and we will see you next time, guys. Thank you. Bye.